Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Like WD. Hope friends you are fine. Today we are going to make these beautiful cards. I made these cards in Figma. This is Figma design. Now we are going to build in HTML and CSS. Okay. So let's start. In VS Code we have only three files: index.html, style.css and picture. Okay, first we complete HTML section, then we go for styling. Okay, so we need one container. Okay, in container all our content show between the container. Okay, this is our container. In container we have take another class block card. Okay, in block card now we need two classes. First is image, okay, and second is card body. Okay, so now I take image card. Okay, in image card we use image. Okay, then I use card body. Okay, this is our card body. In card body we need three element for dates, heading and content and button. Okay, so I use H3 for date, H1 and I use H1 for heading, P for text. Okay, then A for button. Class btn, read more. Okay, now I just copy from text from here. Okay, this is and this is our text. This is all our dummy text. Okay, now I use image. Now we check how initially our card look like. It's too ugly and too. Now it's time to make styling. First I use Roboto fonts. It's a Google font you can find on Google Fonts website. Okay, I just import. Okay, and give me a second. Font family. In font I use HTML. Okay, font family. Oh sorry, font family. Initially we use font size 12. Okay, in body we use gradient. Okay, this is site css gradient.io. You can customize, make your own gradient and use built in gradient. Okay, this is our gradient. Now you can see. Okay, it's image 2. Now it's time to make container styling. This is our container. I just container. Okay, height 100 VH vertical height, width 100%. Okay, now it's time to make block card. So friends, I think we have to fix first image because it's too big. It's take all my screen. So image I use height 10 pixel and width 10 pixel. Okay, now it's looking better. Now display flex, because we want this card in center of the container. Justify content center, alignment item center. Okay, so now it's time to make block card. It's our block card. Block card first position relative. Okay, padding 5 rem from top, 3 rem from right, 5 rem from bottom and 5 rem from left. Okay, background I use white. Okay, this is our background. Border radius 10 pixel. Okay, box shadow 1 pixel from x-axis, y-axis, and this is blur. Okay, and RGB. Okay, give me a second. Oh, it's RGBA 0.3. Okay, now I give max width pixel. Okay, now it's look better. Now it's time to make image card. Okay, in image card we want this image. Okay, so width 110 pixel, height 110 pixel, position absolute top 10 pixel, left minus 50 pixel. Okay, translate x y, sorry. Okay, minus 50%, and border radius 100%. Where is it? Border radius 100%. Okay, and background I use this is CSS rectangle. Okay, this is okay. I hope you are getting point. Now it's time to give it just position relative. Okay, top 50%, left 50%. Okay, translate -50% and -50%. Okay, border radius 100%. Now you can see it's looking better. Now it's time to give card body position relative. Okay, in card body H3 we use margin 0.3 rem and 0. Okay, color stack 999 and font size 1.25. Okay, just copy it and paste H1 margin from bottom. Okay, this is bottom. .333 and font size 2.5. Okay, this is 4.5 rem. No, sorry, it's not 4 point, it's 1 rem. Okay, now it's looking better. Or you can use transform, no, text transform capitalize. Okay, just copy and paste and P margin from bottom 0.5 4.5, sorry, font 1.5 and color 33 and it's just okay. Now it's time to make button styling. Button, this is button. First I copy gradient. Okay, border none, sorry, none, outline none, padding 1.5 rem and 2 rem. Okay, text decoration none. Okay, none. Okay, text transform capitalize. Border radius 50 pixel. Box shadow I just copy from, where is box shadow, this is 0.4. I just copy here and paste here. Okay, text decoration transition all 0.2s easy in. Color white. Now our button is ready. Now it's time to make our, see, HOVER, hover, box shadow 0 pixel 5 pixel when rem RGBA okay 255 90 94 98 and 0.5. So friend, now you can see now it's looking beautiful. I think its font is too much. Font no, I think we use 1 rem. 1 rem is too bad. Now it's looking better. So friends, hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy and learn each and everything from this video, please hit like button and subscribe.